Welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about scope, and I'm going to create a function. It's going to be called display name. It's not going to take any parameters, and we're going to type here name equals, let's say, Dobinka Alexandru. Now I'm going to print this, print name. So if I run this, let me go down here, let's call display name. Now if I run this code, I'm gonna see Alex being displayed in the console. And this is what is called a variable which has a local scope, so it only exists inside the block of this function. It cannot be accessed outside. So if I go down here and I type print, let's say that I want to get now the value stored in name, I can't, because I have no suggestion which tells me that I can access that variable, because that variable is scoped inside that function. It cannot be accessed outside of that function. To create a variable which has global scope, which can be accessed from anywhere from your code, you need to go up here. We type name, I'm gonna put equals Alex. Now if I go down here and I type name, now as you can see that is highlighted, so it's using this variable which is defined here above, and that has global scope, and now it will work. So if I run this, we get Alex being out in the console. Alright, so this is the global scope and the local scope. Local scope means that it's locally available, so it will only exist as long as that block of code exists, and globally it means that it will be accessed from anywhere from your code. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next.